Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss. This 1500 Chevy truck is powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the Trail Boss, we have the power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, automatic transmission dial, push button 4x4, and then our lighting options. We have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, black Chevy bow tie in the center there. Only 36 kilometers on the truck as it is brand new. Column shifter with manual gearing, push button ignition. We have the large 8-inch touchscreen there. We have your audio controls, phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. Even your climate controls there, the dual zone piloted through there as well. You got the manual controls there for your climate, heated seats. We got parking sensors on the rear, auto stop start now in the trucks, integrated trailer braking system, USB charging ports as well, dual glove box with locking bottom. Then we have the Bose audio system, black interior, and the black leather seats. Looking at the exterior of the Trail Boss, now we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package there, those all black wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrac off-road tires. Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit in the front as well, so giving you the big stance of a leveled truck there. We do have the tubular running boards, Silverado OEM, blacked out door handles, mirror caps. Truck does have keyless entry on the driver's door, blind spot detection, and remote start. Coming to the rear, we got our black bumpers, dual chrome exhaust tips, and then all your trailering equipment there as well. Looking at the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both the seats do fold up, giving you extra room here. We got the rubberized custom form-fitted matting, in-seat storage. Both end seats here are car seat ready. Rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom up top, LED lighting, and then USB charging ports in the center console there. This is a crew cab truck as well, so there's an enormous amount of room in the cab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss. If this is your next V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.